So I told myself I wouldn't be doing this again. I told myself I shouldn't do this again, but yet here we are at the dealership one more time annually, sometimes twice a year. But today I'm here at a Cadillac dealership in Lansing, Michigan, Shaheen Cadillac. So I'm here to buy a car, and I wish I could just black out the car like, oh, I'm buying the Blackwing, make you guys think I was buying the CT5V Blackwing, but that's not what it is. That's not where we're at. But I am buying the CT4V Blackwing, which is still an awesome car. And I'm about to go inside right now. Got to handle my paperwork, and then we're going to get a look at the car, and then we might do a drive on it, but I got to do my walk around and all that kind of stuff. So this is about to be a special one. So my birthday is tomorrow, the day I'm going to be uploading the video, so wish me a happy birthday. Thank you very much. And this is going to be the most expensive car that I have bought to date. Most special car, the rarest car that I have bought to date. So this is going to be something that makes me feel good on the inside. And as I pulled up, my dad's song came on my playlist and was playing. And I lost him just about a year ago today. So it's a very special moment. So let me get this process started, because I've already been greeted by my salesman, which I got to talk about in just a moment here, because connections. But let me go inside and handle this paperwork so we can get this deal done. We're inside the building. I never bought a car that was sitting on the interior, so I'm not going to reveal the full car yet, but just know, if you know your cars, know that this one has red mirror caps. Handling the paperwork. This is a brand new dealership. It's only 3 years old. And I got the keys. Whoops, the other one wasn't connected, but the key fob is going to match the brake calipers. Just getting in my new car. I'm going to show y'all around. I ain't even started it up yet, so let me move my seat forward. I got to get everything set up, which I don't like doing, but I got to do. Ain't even test drive it, but I don't always do that with every car. So let me take it out of gear. That is quiet. I think I need an exhaust. Ooh, I got ventilation. Ooh, I'm going to show y'all these features real quick. I forgot to show y'all the animation, the startup animation. But let me get to a well-lit area so we can really take a look at what I got on this car. As I mentioned, my Blackwing is a special spec. So it is one of 66. This is the arrival edition. You can tell by the red mirror caps and the decals on the side that don't look all that great. But like I said, this is one of 66. It comes in 3 colors. This is the Mondrian edition, so it's going to come in silver. I forgot what this is. They have a red one, which you saw on my Instagram story if you follow me on Instagram, and they have a black one. And this car comes basically fully loaded. And just looking at the window sticker, MSRP, bam, options and stuff. Like I said, arrival edition 22,000, PDR, sunroof, technology package. Got massage seats in here. So the grand total, bam. We'll talk more about that later and how much I paid. So now we're about to take a walk around the car. But before we do that, I'd like to give a huge shout out to my new Blackwing brother, Brandon Lewis. He helped me out with this process. Talked to him on the side. He gave me some advice on these cars. And also, shout out to my job, because it wouldn't be possible without that. And shout out to my salesman, Cody, which is related to a person that I work with. He helped me get a deal. Everything was smooth, seamless. About 20 minutes inside the dealership from my arrival, and we are done. So I'm finally back in a high performance car. And coming from the front, we got carbon fiber splitters. So this is gonna have both carbon fiber packages on here. You can tell by these dive planes. I believe this one is going to denote the carbon fiber level 2, and the ones down here, the lower splitter, that's the carbon fiber level 1. The arrival edition is going to have these red brake calipers, and like I said, it's going to match the key fob. But the dead giveaway when you have a Blackwing that's one of these Mondrian / arrival editions, the red mirror caps. Not a lot of people are going to like those. I'm those people. And we're going to have these graphics at the bottom, which I'm not a huge fan of, but for the price I paid, I don't care, and I can always get it wrapped. We have carbon fiber splitters coming along the bottom portion, and coming on to the back, like I mentioned, we got a sunroof. Got to have a sunroof for me. The rear of the CT4V Blackwing does not look the greatest, but we make it do what it do. And like I said, we got all the carbon fiber duckbill spoiler. And I believe in 23 they started putting a Blackwing badge on it. Our trunk space is generous. I got all weather mats on the inside. And we have these V logo mats with the red stitching on the exterior. Nice. And this is my tire flat, or my air inflator. What's this? Oh, battery. Got the battery in the rear. Help with weight distribution. Let me go move to an area where I can see the lower portion of the diffuser, because that's carbon fiber as well. Inside the car, the back seats. Dang, there's not a whole lot of space behind me. But I do have the premium seats. Got the diamond stitch, torch red seat belts. Shout out to Hot One LE. And then the back of the seats, we have more carbon fiber. I got the carbon fiber buckets. I ain't even know this was a thing. I peeked back here. I'm like, dang, I like that. We do have vents in the back. Gotta love that. Now my kids can breathe. And then another thing, we're gonna have red leather touches. That's gonna be another part of the arrival editions. The front seats, more of the same as we saw in the back, but I got massaging seats now. And then we also have this design. Like I said, the red, that's gonna be part of this special package. Heated, cooled massaging seats. Got the performance steering wheel. I have PDR, so my track days, I can record that with that footage. And the inside, the sunroof. We're gonna notice with this upgraded steering wheel, I got this V button, which I need to set up at a later date. Oh, these little things too, that confused me the last time I drove one. The park brake is on the left side. That is gonna have me in the days. Gotta get some used to that. And let me start it up. It's hot today, almost 86. So I read that I got a different startup animation. It didn't come on that time because the car didn't go to sleep. Turn this fan down because it's up too high. Put that parking brake back on because I'm about to be walking around. I might. Inside, got my wireless charger. Ventilated seats. That's going to come in clutch. Carbon fiber all down here. This cap on the manual shifter, that's going to be exclusive to this Mondrian package as well. I'll turn on these massaging seats. That's what I'm most excited about. Yeah, wait, no, that ain't it. Massage. Oh, you see it. Wait, what? Hold on there. I never owned a car with massage seat. Oh, I got to use the seat controller to operate that. All right, we gonna roll number 3. All right, there we go. All right, that thing will forever be on. I got all these seat positions. Oh, the bolstering. I want that tight. I'll get to the other stuff. Thigh support. Excellent. All right. Set my memory seat so I don't got to do that crap again. The seating position in here is kind of different. I'm trying to get it to where I can use the clutch pedal with my toe, but it's more like the ball of my foot. So it's not the tippy toes. That's going to take some getting used to. I've only driven the car like 200 feet from where I was parked over there. But now we're about to get in. Got to get home and beat this rush hour traffic. Actually, we're going to be good. No rush hour traffic. So mine is a model year 2024. And spoiler alert, they do not give discounts on the 25s whatsoever. So that's what drove me to a 24, which has been here. It's been a brand new car for like a year. Nobody just bought it because it's a special spec, and not most people are going to like it, but I do. But the color that I did want is this Typhoon Metallic. This is the color that I wanted on my V Blackwing, but I could not find a dealership willing to make a deal with me. But let me get behind the wheel of my car, because we got to get here before they lock us in this dealership. So my Camaro people, can you rejoice now? Do you like that I got a CT4 V Blackwing? So I did take a poll, and a lot of you people said y'all wanted to see me in the CT4 V Blackwing. I just didn't buy one because the way my bank account was set up at that moment. So here we are now, looking to keep this, maybe for the long run, or upgrade to the CT5V in the future, but I don't know. I did look at those as well, but I could not make the numbers work on the leftover model because they weren't discounting the one. It's only one for sale, well, two, and one of those is like, I think it might be more than 200,000. I don't think the dealership wants to sell that one. So the next time you see me in the CT5 or CT4 V Blackwing, we'll be doing my first drive impressions. Right now, I got to set up everything, set up OnStar, pair my phone. I haven't done anything to the car. I still haven't even got my seat adjusted. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.